Hi, Claude Bella here with 24/7onlinemarketing.com, and I just want to share with you guys a membership portal that I just opened up on how to market your business. If you have any questions about marketing your business, getting more exposure using the internet, how to leverage the internet, then I want you to check out this membership portal that I just opened up. You can access it totally for free. There's no email required, no phone numbers, nothing of that nature. You just click on the Get Started Now button. It's going to take you directly to the membership portal. The website is 247onlinemarketing.com. Once again, that's 247onlinemarketing.com. I'm going to kind of show you real fast what that looks like. So you click here, you go to 247onlinemarketing.com, which I just say 247onlinemarketing.com, and you click on Get Started Now. And then when you do that, it's going to take you to the membership portal. You hear 7 tutorial videos. It's going to walk you through the omnipresent marketing strategy, which I call it. Walk you through the 7 steps that I take with private consulting clients. You can go through this yourself. If you have any questions, find any errors, find anything you need to fix, just feel free to let me know. Reach out to me if you need help with that, or you can just do it yourself if you like. Doesn't matter. So just take this opportunity, go through it. It can take you less than an hour to go through all the videos and actually implement all this work. So you can actually go to tutorial videos, implement what I share with you in each video, and it'll be under an hour. You can do all this. So you can find out exactly if you have a strong foundation or not for your business, with your online business or any type of business, brick and mortar business. Doesn't matter. You'll find out if you have a strong marketing foundation. This is our marketing foundation. Starts here for all of my clients, and I just want to share with you because it's been working extremely well for all of our clients. I will tell you this is the one thing that works extremely well for all of my clients that I've had. So take a look at it. Let me know what you think. And until then, take care and God bless you.